Welcome to Time Out! I love it! Season 2!
Smoothie sailing!
Smoothie sailing!
Welcome to Time Out Season 2!
I'm Daria.
And today we're doing Magic Sunrise.
Magic Sunrise.
Daria, do you know that Magic Sunrise comes in different colors?
Yes.
So today we're going to do a smoothie that is in different colors. Yes? What are the ingredients that are going to make these different colors? Can you tell me?
Strawberry, pineapple,
This is vanilla extract.
orange, milk, and yogurt. Strawberries, pineapple, orange. Almond milk. Vanilla yogurt.
Are you ready?
Okay, Daddy is good.
Are you ready to make a Magic Sunrise?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Daria, help Mama pour the almond milk. Let's first pour a little bit of the almond milk. Can you do it for Mama?
I want to do it.
1 small spoon. There you go. And now we're going to do some vanilla extract. Can you pour a little bit of vanilla extract? Yes. Pour it in. Daria, first we're going to pour in the orange and then we're going to put it in the blender, okay?
Yes, then we will close it.
Then we'll close it. Okay, can you put the orange in here? Put more.
Oi! That was...
Put more. Yay! Now this is going to be our orange layer, Daria. So we're
No,
gonna...
Mama.
Yes, first we do 1 layer of orange and then we do the other layers. I'll show you how this works, okay? Like a magic sunrise.
Also this yogurt.
Yes, and then the second round we're gonna do more yogurt. Daria, we're gonna first pour the orange layers, okay? Daria, are you ready to do the next layer?
Yeah.
The next layer is strawberry. Come on, help Mama pour. Help Mama pour. Put in the almond milk. Now 1 spoon of yogurt. Come on, 1
Yes.
spoon of Greek yogurt. Pour it. Good job.
Yes.
Okay.
I like strawberries.
Okay, put in strawberries.
My favorite.
It's your favorite.
Now we are going to mix the strawberries.
Yes. Ready?
Now they look colorful.
You ready for the strawberry layer?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Put the strawberry layer. Look. Can you see the 2 colors?
Now that pineapple.
Yes. Let's do the last layer.
First yogurt.
Let's put all the yogurt. Here, let Mama help you.
Let's put a lot of pineapple.
Let's put the milk first. Daria, now that we're done with the last layer, what's left to do?
Blender.
Yes, the blender. Let's do that. Let's put it in the blender.
Just blend it. Now let's pour it there. Yes.
Yes, let's get our glasses.
Yes.
Glass. See that yellow mixed with the orange? And
What is
the sky.
this?
That's
No.
bubble.
Now let's have 1 straw.
1 orange for you.
Yes.
1 orange for me.
Now let's drink
magic sunrise. Yes. You like it? So this magic sunrise is packed full of vitamins for your kids. It's got orange, it's got pineapple, it's got strawberries. They're all packed full of vitamins.
I love it, Mama.
I'm so glad, Daria.
Subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What are the ingredients, Daria?
This is chocolate milk.
Yes.
Honey, strawberry, banana, and yogurt.
Yes, good job. And it's not just any yogurt, it's Greek yogurt, so it's really good for you.